Hello friends, welcome to C Astrology and good wishes to all my students. So today we are going to discuss about know-how of Venus. In that I will take around 3 karkatwas of Venus and I explain you what is the role of Venus when it comes to the medicine part, when it comes to the money part, and when it comes to the wife. Means we will discuss about the male native chart and female native chart as well side by side. So in both the cases we will see the know-how of Venus. So before I start my video, I pray to Lord Ganesha and pray to Lord Saturn to help us learn this divine knowledge. To welcome students to see astrology. So today's topic is know-how of Venus. Venus, a very important planet in Nadi astrology. So first let us understand what is Venus. Venus is money. Second, we will take Venus as wife in male chart. Third, we will take Venus as medicines. So this I will take in both male and female chart. So wife we will take into consideration taking example of a male chart. So three things I am going to take, but in between I will also tell you about the vehicle part and maybe some other karkatwas of Venus as well side by side. So let's start our video. Venus when placed in Aries sign, when Venus is in Aries sign, what would be the result? So let us discuss about the money part first. So when Venus comes in Aries, native will earn a lot of money, but that money will be spoiled because Mars is the enemy of Venus and Aries is the debilitated sign of Saturn and Aries is the exalted sign of Sun. So due to exaltation of Sun, native will get lot of money, but the debilitation of Saturn, after making money through his profession, that money will be destroyed, or in other words you can say that money will come to him but he will invest that money in different projects. The money will not stay with that native. So this is all about the money part. Then we will take into consideration the wife. Let us say Venus is in Aries. So what would be the characteristics of your wife? Wife would be very aggressive lady. Wife would be a dominating lady. Wife would be very beautiful and she will be young as compared to your age. So if the native is around 32, maybe the wife would be 24 or 26. So when Venus comes in Mars signs, means Aries and Scorpio, wife is really very good looking and beautiful and a charming lady. So this we will take as wife into consideration. So the next part is medicines. So medicines, what we will do here, Aries sign denotes the head part of your body. So Venus is the karkata of medicines. So anytime in your life when there will be a bad progression of maybe Jupiter or Rahu, you will need medicines for your brain or maybe for your head, and that is the role of Venus when it comes in Aries. So next Venus comes in Taurus. So when Venus comes in Taurus, so the money part, that native will have lot of money because Taurus is the sign of finance. So Venus feels very happy when it is placed in Taurus. So lot of money to the native. lot of flow of money to the native, and he will also accumulate that money very carefully when Venus is in Taurus. So the wife part, wife will be a very beautiful lady. She will have a very beautiful face, because Taurus indicates face in Kalpurusha Kundali, in Kalpurusha chart. So wife would have a good looking face. She will have a very sweet voice, a very convincing voice. That would be the characteristics of your wife, and definitely she would be a money minded lady. As compared to medicines you will always need for your throat, because when Venus is placed in number 2 sign and Rahu is also placed with that Venus, then 100% you will need medicines for your throat area. So when Venus is in Aries, you can take all 3 of the medicines, maybe allopathic, maybe homeopathic, or maybe Ayurveda, whatever you wish. But when Venus comes in number 2 sign, it is better to take Ayurvedic medicines. That would be really helpful for you. So we'll jump to now Venus in Gemini. When Venus comes in Gemini, the money part of it, yes, because it is a dual sign, this native would be very intelligent and he will earn money through media and communication, or maybe some printing work or something like that. Whatever things are denoted by number 3 sign, that would be the area where his money would come. And because number 3 sign is a dual sign, so the income source of that person would be 2 or more than 2. He would be doing a regular job, but side by side he will have a secret income as well. Venus placed in Gemini sign. So the wife, when Venus is placed in number 3 sign in your chart in Gemini, wife is a very intellectual lady. She is very intelligent and she loves reading and writing. Not reading you can say exactly, but writing. She has a lot of logics, and these people who have Venus in number 3, they are very logical minded, or you can say they are editors. They will take the newspaper and they will take a pen and they will start underlining the wrong words, or they will try to find out the mistakes. They are the editors. So this is the wife part of it. So when we take medicines into consideration, Venus in Gemini, you will need medicines for your shoulders. Yes, 100%. Sometime in your life that situation will come when you will require medicines related to your shoulders, or for the treatment of your shoulders, or even your full hands. So that's it. That is the theory behind it. And when Venus is in number 3 sign, it is always good to take Ayurvedic medicines, because Mercury is the planet of vegetation, represent plants and everything. So Ayurveda medicine is the best medicine. When persons having Venus in number 3, they fall sick, they should go for it. Okay, now we will go Venus number 4. When Venus is in Cancer, it is a very good placement for Venus in some terms. When we discuss about money, yes, 100% inflow and outflow of money will be quite fast. Money comes fast, and in the same way money goes out very, very fast. So Moon being a watery planet, when Venus comes in Moon sign, the money flow is very fast. And a lot of people who have Venus in Cancer, you can check their horoscopes. After marriage, money starts flowing in very, very fast. So this is the money part when Venus is in Cancer. Now we will see the wife. If Venus is placed in Cancer, you will have a very good looking and a very, very sweet and charming lady. She would be very beautiful. Maybe she would be very fair. If other planets do not make combinations with Venus in Cancer, you will definitely have a very good looking and a very beautiful and charming wife. Then wife would be very emotional because Cancer is the sign of emotions, and wife would be a caring lady because Moon represents mother. Moon represents change of place. Moon, Cancer sign represents motherly sign because it is the sign of Moon, the mother. So wife would have that nature to take care of the family. So this is the characteristics of wife, but you have to always take into consideration the other aspects of planets as well. Then you come to a final conclusion. So the medicine part of it. Yes, when Venus is in Cancer, definitely the upper chest part, or maybe a lot of people who have Venus in Cancer, they will always have gastric problems. So the best remedy for these people is to always go for homeopathic medicines. If you have Venus in Cancer, homeopathic medicines are the best medicines for you, that will suit you, and it will definitely help you to overcome your disease. So Cancer part is over. Then comes, and one thing I would like to tell you, when Venus is in Cancer related to vehicles, yes, these persons, they will never plan to buy anything, but suddenly they will go and visit a showroom just to see or to take the quotation of the car. Suddenly, very impulsive decision, they will buy that car without planning. The vehicle comes into their house. So this is the position of Venus in Cancer. Now Venus in Leo sign. Venus in Leo sign, yes, money comes in bulk because Sun is a royal planet. Sun is a very big planet. It has name and fame. So the money comes in bulk, and money goes out also very fast because Sun comes in the sign, Venus comes in the sign of Sun. It is a fiery sign. So your money gets burning. Burning means money comes in bulk, and that money will, you will start investing that money somewhere. That is the role of Venus when it is placed in Leo. About the wife. Yes, wife will be very dominating. She will come from a very high status family. She will have like very high choices. She will love to live a royal life, and she will be very aggressive lady, and that ladies will definitely hold and that lady is the boss in the house. So Venus in number 5, that would be the qualities of your wife depending upon the other aspects of planets. Venus in Leo, in regard to medicine, yes, the stomach part of your body and the spinal cord of your body. So Venus in Leo, Venus in a Leo sign, definitely sometimes in your life you will require medicines for your stomach or maybe for your spinal cord, and the best medicine in this case is allopathic medicine because Sun represents chemicals. When Venus comes in Sun sign, it represents chemicals. So Venus in Virgo, yes, Venus in Virgo, that is also a very not a good sign for Venus when it comes in the money section. Yes, these people will have money through their logics. They will earn lot of logics, or they will be good managers, and they will earn money through this, but it is a dual sign. So these people will always have two sources of income. Money comes in very fast, and even money goes out also very fast. This is the role of Venus in Virgo because it is debilitated here. As regards to wife, Venus in Virgo, a very stubborn nature of wife, and it is very difficult. Stubborn nature of wife, she would be very adamant and very logical lady. In every sphere of life, she will apply logics. Venus in number 6 sign, you will definitely have a wife a very logical lady, and she will apply logics in every part of her life. Then medicines, yes, medicines, you will always have to take Ayurvedic medicines because Mercury represents plants, and the lower abdomen of your body will get you will need medicines for that part of your body. Venus in Libra, so the money part, Venus in Libra, yes, money flow is good because Libra is the sign of Venus himself. He is very happy here. So the money part is okay, everything is okay, there is no need to worry. But the bad aspects on Venus can give you difficulty in earning money, but otherwise Venus in number 7 is very happy. Money part is okay, there is no problem. Wife, yes, Venus in number 7 sign, you will have a very good looking, a tall lady. She would be very charming and very obedient lady if other aspects are not there on Venus. Otherwise everything is okay. You will have a very happy married life and a very good looking and a very obedient wife. Medicines, yes, medicines, when Venus is in number 7, you will definitely need medicines for your urinal part. There will be some problem in your urinal part, or maybe there will be infection in your urinal part or the private part of your body. There will be some problem in that area. And when you see a female chart and when she has Venus in number 7, you can easily say that this lady will need medicines for her uterus. There will be some problem in the uterus area, and if Ketu is there, definitely that lady will go for surgery. Medicine part is over. Then Venus in Scorpio. Venus in Scorpio, money comes very fast, money goes out very fast, but these people who have Venus in number 8 sign, they like to store their money secretly because it is a secret sign of Mars. Rest everything is okay. Wife would be a very stubborn lady, and every now and then she would be very tensed because of small pity things. If you say her anything, she will get tense, and in the later part of the life you will see she will have depression problem. So the medicine part of it, yes, medicine part of it will be needed, maybe for piles and all that stuff which are related to that things. So when Venus is in number 8, that area would be affected and you would need medicines in that particular area of your body. Venus in number 9 sign. Yes, Venus in number 9 sign. It is a religious sign and it is a sign of Jupiter. It is a sign of Jupiter. Here also there is no problem in money part. Money comes in very fast, money goes out very fast. Money wise there is no problem, but when it comes to the characteristics of wife, yes, a very religious wife, a very noble lady, a very obedient lady, but sometimes she would be very aggressive in nature. When it comes to medicines part, yes, medicines you will need for your thighs. There will be problem in your thighs, and if Venus is in number 9 sign, it is always good to take Ayurvedic medicines because number 9 sign represents forest area. So forest means plants and trees. So Ayurvedic medicine is best for you. Venus in Capricorn. Capricorn is a watery sign. Again, money comes in very fast, money goes out very fast, and these people normally who have Venus in number 10 sign, they will earn money from land and property or maybe some kind of machinery work. Wife, yes, Venus when is in number 10 sign, wife is a perfectionist. She likes to be perfect in everything. She would be very fond of cleanliness and she would be perfect in she likes perfection in everything. That is the nature of wife. when Venus is in number 10 sign, and the later stages of her life she would become a very famous lady in her society. As compared to medicines, yes, medicines would be required for your knees. When Venus is in number 10 sign, you will definitely have problem in your knees and you will require medicines for that part. So all three medicines are suitable in this case: Ayurvedic, homeopathic and allopathic. Venus in number 11 sign. Venus in number 11 sign, these people have secret flow of money. They will not disclose their income so easily, and money comes in bulk because it is the sign of Saturn and it is the sign of secrecy. So these people can earn money through mystical sciences or knowledge of Vedas or something like that, maybe astrology, etc. So Venus in number sign, money part is okay, but when it comes to the wife part, yes, your wife will be a psyche lady. She will have psychological problems because Aquarius is a mystical sign, and when Venus comes here, she will have lot of mood swings. So this will create trouble in your marriage. When it comes to medicines, you will need medicines in the lower part of your legs, that is called calves. So there will be problem in that particular area, and you can take all three medicines which will suit your body very well. Venus in number 12 sign. Venus in number 12 sign, money part is okay because it's a watery sign. It is a sign of Jupiter. Venus is exalted here. So money wise there would be no problem. After marriage, these people get lot of money from their wife, or wife would bring lot of money after marriage. And the nature of the wife would be a very kind hearted lady. She would definitely she would help a lot of people, service motto nature, and very kind lady. She will take care of the family very well. In terms of medicines, yes, you will require medicines for your feet and there will be problem in that area, and in this case also it is better always to take homeopathic medicines that will suit your body very well. So I think I have covered all three Karkatvas with one or two examples, but there are a lot of Karkatvas for Venus. Venus is the planet of luxury, Venus is the planet of travel, Venus is the planet of land and property. There are a lot of things, but these three are important combinations for Venus: money, wife and medicines. So know-how of Venus is complete in this class. In the next class we will learn some new topics related to Mars and Saturn as well. So that's all for today, students. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.